To all the students, those who have joined the class. Today we are learning or we are discussing the class chapter number that called as a your rational number. Okay, one of the most important chapter whenever we think about the numbers rationalities. Okay, those who joined the please mention the name, mention their name so that we can be able to recognize their name as well, and we can also call by their names in our class. So the first point that we need to understand while discussing about the rational numbers, which is chapter for the 7th class. Okay, this is we are talking about the state board of Maharashtra, and point name is what? Okay, show. Okay, no problem. Those who have joined the class, it is we are talking about the class 7. Talking about the class 7, and point is what? Point is also important. Point name is at rational numbers, as a rational number. That is important point that we need to what is mean by rational number. Okay, what is mean by rational numbers? Actually, in previous classes we have learned what is mean by the numbers and how the numbers are important while whenever we talks about, whenever we think about, whenever we learn about the mathematics. The mathematics ultimately means that numbers, there is always involvement of the number. Without the numbers we are unable to learn about the your mathematics. So that's why math is most important. In math we can say that numbers are most important. One of that out of chapter that math, you can say rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers are like, you can say that numbers are written in the format of a upon b, or in other words they are written in the n upon d. What is mean by n? N is for numerator and another is what? Denominator. Okay, in the, we can say that set number 22, set number 22, we can see from chapter numbers, we can say rational numbers. We can say the name of chapter is as operations on the rational number. Okay, out of that we can say that we are going to learn about the set number 22. First questions is regarding the additions of the numbers of the rational numbers. Okay, are the numbers. So numbers are like that, a upon b, or we can say that the n upon d. N means for the numerator and d upon d means for the denominator. Whenever we do the additions of the number, we are dealing with the numbers. Like also the three types of fractions that are involved while doing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division. All are involved in this. Okay, additions of the your fractions, there are two important needs to be understand. What are those things? The numbers should be you are in the equal denominator. Equal means what? Equal means what? Their denominator should be equal. Okay, like 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. In this case, we can say that 5 are the same denominator. It means what? They are, we can say, likeness they have. Okay, we can say that in these two fractions, we can see in which we have to do the additions, they are in the like. Okay, they are the like fractions. Clear, everybody? If you are cleared, please let me know. Then for this purpose, these are the like fractions. The additions of these fractions is most very easy. Like, we can say that how to do the additions of these two fractions, like 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. And there is most important again, 5 means what? Both are the same. As we can say that we have to only write for one time. Okay, we have to write it only for once. Okay, and we are just doing the addition subtraction of these two only for the numerator, not about the denominator. Means what? 4 plus 3, then only 5. Again we get the answer as a 4 plus 3, we get the 7 upon 5. This is your fraction form answer. But if you want to get the answer in more detail, then what happen? We have to just divide this 5 1 the 5. What is remain as a remainder? We get as a, okay, 2, and again like this. This is your, we can say as a what number? This is your mixed number. Okay, this is your mixed number. How the number we have found it? We have found this number? We can do the long division method. For this purpose, we can do like this. Okay, 7 is your numerator, means what? It is a dividend, and you can say again 5 as a divisor. Okay, this is your divisor. This is your divisor. This is your divisor. You can write it by the another color pen so that you will be again understand. This is your divisor. This is your dividend. Okay, this is your dividend, and here would be your answer as a quotient. Okay, this is how we are getting the answers of the number. 5 1s are 5, and we can write the 5 here. Then minus 5 minus, sorry, 7 minus 5, we get the as a 2. Means what? It is not divisible by this number. Number 5 is greater, and 2 is just we can say as very smaller. And what is condition to divide the number? Number should be, okay, equal or the smaller, equal or greater than the divisor, so that we will be able to divide the number. Okay, so this is your became the as a remainder. Okay, and for this purpose, how to represent this in the another way? Okay, this how to represent this, how to represent this number, how to represent this? We can represent this like this is your mixed number, can be represented like this. Mixed number like that. Mixed number can be written like this. Okay, mixed number can be written like this. Look at this. This is your quotient. Then this is your quotient. Then this is your, we can say as a remainder, and again this is your as a divisor. Similarly, we have represented the number. What is your quotient? Quotient is 1 in this example. And another way, what is your remainder? That we have found as a 2. And what is your divisor? As similar in in the same example. So this is how we can get the numbers answers for this. This is your answer. So please get the screenshot of this number. And tomorrow we will see the same chapters as a in the another way, that another examples can be seen. So this is your how we have been solved the your questions regarding about the rational numbers. Please do understand. इसको अगर हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करना है तो कर देता हूँ, डोंट वरी। रैशनल नंबर क्या होता है, जो कि फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में होता है, ठीक है, मतलब a अपॉन बी के फॉर्म में होगा, ठीक है। 4/5, 3/5, देखिए यहाँ पर अगर चेक करते हो आप तो क्या देखेंगे, यहाँ पर दोनों ही फ्रैक्शंस के अंदर आपको दोनों जगह पर दोनों फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर के प्लेस पर, ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर के प्लेस पर क्या मिल रहा है आपको, एज अ 5 मिल रहा है, जो कि आपका लाइक फ्रैक्शन है, बराबर है। सिमिलरली इन अदर वे, अगर दोनों जो बराबर नंबर है तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसके अंदर एक ही बार इसका 5 लिखेंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद में जो 4 और 3 जो कि आपके न्यूमरेटर्स है उनके एडिशन करेंगे। इसके बाद में दोनों का एडिशन करने के बाद में आपको आंसर मिलता है 7/5, ओके। 7/5 का आपको मिक्स्ड नंबर में क्या करना है, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो क्या करेंगे आप लोग, यू विल अप्लाई द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड, यू विल अप्लाई द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड इन विच आपको क्या दिखेगा, आपका 5 एज अ डिवाइजर ही है, 7 आपका एज अ डिविडेंट है, और आपका जो आंसर आएगा तो आप इधर लिखोगे, ठीक है। तो मैंने 5 को अगर 7 को डिवाइड किया, जो कि आपका 5 से 7 बड़ा है ना, ग्रेटर है, तो 5 का टेबल अगर मैं 1 तक पढ़ता हूँ तो मुझे 5 मिलेगा आंसर, 5 1 जा 5 मिल रहा है, इसको माइनस करेंगे आप तो 7 में से 5 चलेगा आपको 2 मिल रहा है, 2 को डिवाइड करना नहीं हमें, ठीक है। वी डोंट वांट द आंसर इन द डेसिमल फॉर्म, हमें आंसर डेसिमल में निकालना नहीं है, ठीक है। तो क्या आपको मिल रहा है, 2 एज अ रिमाइंडर मिल रहा है, बराबर है। तो आपका 2 रिमाइंडर है और एक आपका क्वोशंट है, ठीक है। तो इस प्रकार से आपको आंसर मिलता है। और इसको कैसे आप बताओगे, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर, देखो मिक्स नंबर कैसे बताते हैं, क्वोशंट उससे इक्वल टू करेंगे, रिमाइंडर ऊपर रहता है आपका डिवाइजर एट द सेम जगह पर आपका डिनोमिनेटर के प्लेस पर रहेगा। तो 1 एज आपका क्वोशंट है और 2 आपका क्या है बच्चों, आपका ही रिमाइंडर है। उसी प्रकार से 5 आपका क्या आ जाएगा, एज ए डिवाइजर, जैसे कि सेम बताया था। तो ये आपका हो गया पॉइंट क्लियर, ठीक है। तो कल देखेंगे इसका हम सब्सट्रैक्शन देखेंगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखेंगे, डिवीजन देखेंगे, ठीक है बच्चों। वी विल वाइंड द क्लास फॉर दिस, ओके।